Hello, this is Thomas with Aero-Lite Plastics, and this video will demonstrate how to install an Aero-Lite complete address sign. This tutorial will be for both our 3-inch and 4-inch address signs, but for the purpose of this video, we will be using a 4-inch sign. Let's get started. The first step is to determine the location in which the address sign will be installed. You may need a step stool or small ladder to reach. Normally there will be 2 wires extending from your wall that are connected to your doorbell transformer. This means that the wires are running at a very low voltage, usually around 12 volts. However, if you feel uncomfortable with working with electricity and are installing the sign yourself, turn the breaker off. Another option would be to hire an electrician or handyman. After determining location, remove the plastic lens by squeezing the middle of the top and the bottom. Pull to remove, being careful not to break the tabs located on the top and the bottom. Included in the address sign are simple instructions and a hardware kit. In the hardware kit, there are 2 screws, 2 anchors, and glue. When ordering from our replacement part store, numbers will be glued onto the plastic lens. However, if numbers are not attached to your lens, attach them now using the glue in the hardware kit. Next, determine the material that you will be drilling into. If drilling into stucco, brick, or stone, use a 3/16 inch masonry bit and 2 anchors included in the hardware kit. If drilling into wood or siding, use an 1/8 inch drill bit and only the screws. In this video, we will be drilling into wood siding, so the anchors are not required. Now it is time to mount the backplate. Feed the 2 wires through the center hole in the backplate and position it horizontally on the wall. If you want to be 100% accurate, a level may be used, but it is not required if you have a good eye. Using a writing utensil, mark the 2 holes located on each side of the backplate. Remove the backplate and drill 1/8 inch holes using your markings about 1 inch deep. If using the anchors in the hardware kit, drill 3/16 inch holes and gently tap the anchors into the holes. Replace the backplate, making sure the wires go back through the center hole. Line up the 2 side holes in the backplate with the holes you drilled in the wall. With a Phillips head drill bit and the screws included in the hardware kit, attach the backplate to the wall. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws. They only have to be snug. The next step is to attach the wires to the sign. On the lamp set in the center of the backplate, there is a bracket with 2 bulbs inserted into the terminals. On the bracket itself, there are small metal clips with a hole at the tip of each. Insert 1 wire into the small hole at the tip of one of the clips and bend the wire around the clip. Crimp the clip down to secure the wire. Repeat this step with the other wire and the opposite clip. It does not matter which wire is attached to which clip. After the wires are securely attached and the sign is lit, replace the lens. To do this, squeeze the middle of the top and the bottom and place it into the backplate. The tabs on the lens should snap into the backplate. The lens might fit snug, but be careful not to use excessive force when replacing the lens. You may break the tabs that hold the lens in place. This completes the full installation tutorial of your Aero-Lite lighted address sign. If you have any questions, please visit us at our website, www.aero-lite.com, and read our FAQs or call our replacement part line. Thank you for watching and have a great day.